girls?
Good. And talk about the views. We had so much train.
Oh, did you? Okay, so
it was so much fun.
Was it so much fun?
It was.
So this past weekend, I had a surprise from you for last week.
It was so cool.
Was it? And I didn't tell you where we were going. We just put you in the car, and I told you halfway there we were going to Hershey.
And we love Hershey.
And you got super excited about it, but what you didn't know is the last day we were there, we did a train ride with
Santa. Yeah. Get it, Santa? See Santa? See it, Santa. And we're getting with her. They don't blow.
You know you have to blow in that to make it quack, right? You don't make moose sounds, you have to blow in it.
Yeah, I can.
Okay, so we went all the way to Strasbourg.
There was cars over there. And we went to get some poppers, which is really fun. Yeah, we played Santa.
And you played with Santa. So
and
you
we picked with Santa, like, smile.
And you got a picture with Santa. So why don't we take a break right here, and I will insert a little bit of the video footage of you girls meeting Santa, okay? Okay, we'll be right back. Good morning, girls. How are ya?
Good.
Well, we've been here in Hershey for a couple days, and now it's time for your surprise. What do you think your surprise is?
Mom, no.
Do you have any idea?
Nope.
None whatsoever?
I have an idea.
What's your idea?
We have fun to take it out.
What? What are we doing? Okay, are you ready? We are getting in the car. We are driving a little ways. And we are doing the official train ride with Santa Claus himself. Have we been good this year, or are we a little bit nervous? You're a little nervous? So this gives you time to prepare.
Santa.
What you are going to say to him, because we are taking the train ride with Santa.
She can be all herself.
Kylie, you look terrified. Are you nervous?
I didn't think that.
You didn't think of that? What did you think it was? Oh, okay.
I got an idea.
Okay, what's your idea?
How about we just open the present, see what's inside. What there's nothing.
I don't think he's going to give you presents because it's not Christmas yet, but he is going to ask you what kind of present that you want. So, you have to be very, very smart about what's the one present that you want.
This one iPad. We're on the train.
You're awake now?
Yeah.
And now you understand where we are?
One, train. What? Don't make him. You'll call you.
hug. Make it face. Are you gonna get a big hug? You gonna get a big hug? Ready? No.
For paradise. Alert!
All aboard?
Ready?
Ready?
Are you ready for the countdown?
Wait.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good morning. Selection to pick up those cars to take them back to East Stratford for transloading. These freight yard heroes carry a little over 600 carloads of freight per year. We guys have worked really hard to get us here, and we're working even harder to get us home. By the time we get back to
I see. They have matching shirts. Oh, pretty. Christmas trees. Can we get a picture together? Captain America?
How about both of you come out and stand next to Santa?
You all right?
What do you say?
Look, Santa wears it right.
This is true.
It's a photo stand for you.
Okay, perfect.
Your Christmas tree.
What? What?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's really being good. Okay, pull your mask up, babe. There you go.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye, Santa.
Say bye, Santa.
Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
And we're back. So that was a super cute trip. You girls have changed your ears.
Yeah.
The balloon ones are now on the wall.
Yeah.
And Callista has the light up Haunted Mansion ones on.
Yeah. So let's walk and pop this.
So you girls got these poppers that ironically were a toy that I used to play with whenever I was a kid. So Kylie, hold the popper out and let me see what it looks like.
Okay, can you give me my popper?
And you flip it and then put it on the chair and see if you can just let it pop.
Don't let me hit it in the face. Yep. That was so much fun.
So what was Santa like?
It was very jolly.
And what else?
Well, he does have a ho ho ho.
And
white.
he had a white beard.
Mhm. She said, ho ho ho. Santa.
Did he?
Santa yelled, present. Ho ho ho. Oh, and we also got an ornament.
Yes, you got an ornament that Santa handed out to everybody on the train.
Mhm.
And it had a Strasburg Railroad
That was so much fun.
little symbol on it.
So, usually, can you tell me how many souvenirs you have from Haunted Mansion?
How many souvenirs I have of Haunted Mansion?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't even know. I don't know. You're counting the ones that are in my office.
Haunted Mansion.
Yes, there's a lot of them.
And I have no idea how much Aladdin stuff you have.
I have a lot of Aladdin stuff too.
My favorite is Haunted Mansion.
Is it Haunted Mansion?
Yeah, I like Haunted Mansion.
Do you?
Yeah.
You like all the ghosts?
So tiny is. When we were watching Haunted Mansion, she did not even be a wimp.
She wasn't. She watched the whole movie.
Single. I didn't cry.
You didn't cry.
No.
No, Kylie, when she watched it when she was 4, she started crying because it scared her. But now it doesn't scare her now that she's 8. But if you tell Kylie something creepy's going on, she gets super scared.
Like, I was getting scared when I go. I thought you said you liked the ghost. Because they always follow me, I can't follow me anywhere.
They follow you everywhere. They follow you home, right?
There was one.
You don't
Not like that part at the end.
Why? When she goes, hurry back.
No, not hurry back. And the ghost will follow you home.
Oh, you don't like that portion?
No.
That's pretty funny.
But, you know, maybe I like ghost living.
You like ghosts a little bit.
Yeah, this
Okay.
much.
All right, well, have you girls been good this year?
Yep. We had so much fun Disney World.
Okay, well, I don't think we're going back to Disney World just yet. But there is a trip booked, but I'm not telling you when it is.
Aw. Yeah. Surprise. We don't know yet. If it was closer, we wouldn't have much time to pack. Yeah. Am I right?
Correct.
We're gonna go somewhere.
We're gonna go somewhere.
Yeah.
Soon?
We don't know yet.
We don't know yet.
But that's a surprise.
I'll have to surprise you whenever we're going.
I'm correct.
Are you correct?
Yeah.
Yes, you are correct.
Smart.
You're smart.
She's a little.
So you girls are all ready for Christmas? You've been very good this year. Do you think so?
We don't know yet.
You don't know yet. But have you been good this year?
So
No.
we don't see what is surprise. Hey.
We're not talking about the surprise. We're talking about Santa. Do you think you've been good to get presents this year?
We don't have presents.
You don't have presents?
Because it's not Christmas Day.
It's not Christmas yet, but just in a few more days it will be Christmas, right?
And the snow is melting.
And the snow is melting, which makes Mommy happy.
Well, that breaks my heart.
Because you want to have a white Christmas. I'm okay with a white Christmas and then it can just never be white again. Yes. No more snow. If we lived in Florida, you could open your Christmas presents and then I could say, okay girls, go get your bathing suits on. Go swim for the rest of the day. Tell me that wouldn't be awesome.
That was awesome. I like swimming.
Do you like swimming?
You have to breathe your mouth.
Yeah, you can't breathe through your mouth. You gotta hold your nose and you gotta hold your breath.
Wait.
Correct.
Wait, during winter, is it still warm in Florida?
Yes, it is still warm down there.
Yeah.
It's nowhere near what it is here. People in Florida think that 50 degrees is super cold. So like the other day when we had a foot of snow and I went out to get the mail with flip-flops on, they would have thought I was nuts. You girls are ready for Christmas? You're gonna go to bed early on Christmas Eve.
It was silent.
And you're excited?
We were happy and happy Christmas. And make sure my pillows and my bed is comfy.
Yes.
Merry Christmas. Maybe this unicorn, big unicorn, like tall open.
You want a tall unicorn?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with a tall unicorn?
Time to ride it. Yeah. Good luck with that. I ain't helping you. With that.
Yes.
I like my makeup. They're so pretty.
You like your makeup? It's so pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe you can do a makeup tutorial one day. How about you show us that? How pretty you look whenever you do the makeup.
Because we use sparkles.
You use sparkles.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
I want to use sparkles.
All right. Okay, girls. Well, thank you for doing this.
Yeah.
And I hope you both have a very Merry Christmas. And tell everybody else that...
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, tell everybody else, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
See you real soon.
Goodbye. Goodbye.